Today, for all my sins, I've decided to go surfing. I'm not going to take a lesson at this stage because it's going to be pointless. I'm just going to hire a surfboard, hire a wetsuit because the water is absolutely freezing, it's the Atlantic, and just basically chill out and ride the waves on the surfboard just to get the balance of the board and see how it goes. If I manage to get really comfortable with the board, then I might even try to stand up. But for today, it is literally just a case of getting the board and getting in the water. Keep watching.
Welcome to Morocco. Join me on this epic journey where I try to discover just some of the many hidden secrets this amazing country has to offer. Its food, its culture, its music, its nightlife, its beaches,
and of course, anything else that might just happen to come along. Hello, little fella. Like I said, this is a surfing town, and you've got all these surfboards, all these little surfer shops. It is proper happening here. It's a bit like being in Australia without Australia. And one of my plans for this little trip is to learn how to stand up on a surfboard. Between the waves. Oh, between the waves. Well, that's a good little appropriate name for a cafe, isn't it? Could be worth having a look at. Prices on food here, cheap. I don't know if there's any bars. I haven't got that far yet. But I'm sure with this kind of crew, there's definitely going to be some bars around here. Again, look at that. Surfboards all over the place. And there you have it. Taghazout Beach. Absolutely ram-crammed with surfers. It's a bit worrying that they've all got wetsuits on. I don't really understand why. I think it's because the water is a little bit cold. But unless it's jellyfish, which I hope it isn't. But I think it is basically because the water's cold. As you can see, look at that. Taghazout Beach. I'm definitely planning on staying here for the next couple of weeks. I'm really looking forward to it. And this is the beautiful beach where I'm going to go surfing today. As you can see, there are hundreds of people already out there surfing. This is Taghazout. This is surfer's paradise. Everyone's got a board. Everyone's having a go. Absolutely fantastic. Looking forward to this one. Right, this is the little surf shack right on the beach. So it's really handy. You don't have to carry your boards miles. You just come straight here. I'm going to find out prices. How much it's going to cost us. Hello, boss. You have surfboards?
Hey, sir.
You have surfboards?
Yes.
What is your deal?
80 each.
80 each.
Yeah.
A handshake is a deal in my world, okay? Thank you very much.
From brother.
Hello, boss. How much for this? 80.
How much is it?
I got it. 80.
Can we take that? Front. Can we go front? We'll help you to carry it. Yeah, we'll carry.
Thank you. Shukran. Thank you. This is our lovely beach. We've got deck chairs. Cost 80 dirham, which is basically £8 for 2 deck chairs. Absolutely perfect. We are slowly getting set up. It's going to be a lovely day, absolutely fantastic day. Oh, I'm so excited. Happy days. I got my wetsuit because this water is freezing cold. It's the Atlantic. Right, first mistake of the day. I've been told I got my wetsuit on inside out. That's what it's all about, see? All about learning. So I've got to change my wetsuit, turn it the other way around, and hopefully, happy days. There you have it. So if you are getting a wetsuit, just remember, green on the outside. Don't make the same mistake as me because pain in the arse keep having to change it. There you go. Don't make the same mistake as me because I feel right plonker and it's a pain in the arse as well. So yeah, if you get a wetsuit, green on the outside. Right, heading to pick up my surfboard. Again, get changed first. And then when you're all ready to go, you come and pick your surfboard up and go forwards from there onwards, hopefully. Got my surfboard and I'm going to catch me some waves. This could be interesting, really looking forward to this one. Onwards and upwards, tally-o. As to be expected after all that surfing, I am starting to feel a little bit peckish. So I've decided to head back into Taghazout town centre and go to one of those little beachside restaurants and treat myself to a lovely chicken tagine. Alright, chicken tagine has arrived. There you have it. I did ask for some chips with it, and to all fair play, they have given me chips on my tagine. Look at that. But first things first, let's try a bit of this chicken. A bit of the sauce. What I'm looking for is some good flavours in there.
Ouais, mais on n'a pas de bagages en souk. Vous mettez deux sur l'avance. Vous mettez 100 bagages en souk? Oui. On des bagages en souk, on a pas de bagages.
Yeah.
Ah ouais?
Again, sort of getting there, but just hasn't quite got it.
Ah ouais?
Try a bit of that lovely bread with it. Actually, having said that, flavour is starting to come through. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'll take it back. Beautiful.
Really, really happening. Could do with some salt, but by the time I get any service around here, I'll be finished eating, because unfortunately it is a bit like that. Hey, that's the way it is. It's the way it is. But anyway, back to my chicken tagine. Oh. Really good. I know you're not supposed to have chicken tagine with chips. It's supposed to be with couscous. But funnily enough, they're not very big on their couscous here. I mean, you can order couscous dishes, but it's a separate dish altogether. So I don't really want to order a whole dish of couscous. Maybe a little bowl of couscous would be ideal, but they don't seem to do that for some reason or other. Apart from that, best one so far. It's the best one, definitely the best one so far. And on top of that, what a lovely view. I mean, you just can't beat it, can you? Absolute no-brainer. Beautiful. My first day surfing, Taghazout Beach. What an amazing day. Absolutely, thoroughly loved it. Yeah, definitely worth doing. Grab yourself a surfboard, £8 for the day. Probably about a tenner altogether with a wetsuit. To be honest, the water was actually quite warm today, so you probably wouldn't even need a wetsuit. But yeah, just get one just in case. Taghazout, surfing, done. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Happy days.